Hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural. So today we're going to take a banana and we're going to make banana powder for that shiny hair to be able to get so much improvement in our hair's moisture and no flakes included. Have you ever used banana in your hair? Well, if you have, you know how great it is for your hair and for your scalp. It helps improve your hair shine. It prevents dandruff. It helps in moisturizing your hair. Banana is rich in potassium. It's also rich in natural oils, carbohydrate, vitamins. It can help you with softening your hair, and also it can help with split ends and also breakage and elasticity. I'm going to tell you that a lot of people, when they use banana in their hair, they have flakes. They are picking banana out of their hair for days, but in this recipe you're not going to be doing that. So after I peel the banana peels from the banana, how many times am I saying banana? So this is what it's going to end up looking like. So just make sure you remove any other stem or vein, banana vein. And now I'm going to be cutting it with my vegetable slicer, which I got on my Amazon shop. You can go to my Amazon shop to get yours on there. So I'm just going to use this, and the reason why I'm using this slicer is because this slicer really does a great job at making it very, very thin. So this is what it looks like after I've sliced the banana, and you can see how really thin it is. Even if you don't have a slicer, you want to cut it really thin, because the next thing you're going to do is you need to sun dry this. Now we live in an area where it is hot and then it is cold, so right now it's not so hot. So what I just did was that I just set it in my garage, or I set it out on the countertop for about 3 days. Yeah, so make sure you just align everything well. So after 3 days, this is what it looks like 3 days later. You can see it looks like plantain chips. My kids were like, "Mommy, can I have one? Can I eat one?" But you see how really dry it is. You want to make sure it is super dry, because the next thing you're going to do is you're going to blend it. So I'm using my magic bullet, which you can also find on my Amazon shop, and you can purchase it there. It's a very good tool, especially if you're someone that you do DIY a lot. So I'm just taking all the banana, dried up banana, and I'm putting it into my magic bullet, and I'm going to proceed to blend this up. So just blend it to the best, to the finest as you can. So this is it. After I've blended it, you can see what it looks like. This is it. It's quite fine. The next thing you want to do, please don't forget to do this, you want to sieve it. So you want to remove any of the the dark seeds from the banana. So I'm going to sieve it, and this is my first time sieving. So you can see after I sieve it for the first time, you see all those black things. Yeah, you don't want that in your hair. And then you can see there's still some more black stuff, so I'm going to sieve it a second time. Now this banana powder, you can use it also for baby food. So if you have a baby that you want to get banana potassium, you can use this method to make baby food. So this is what it looks like after I've sieved it a second time, and from one banana I got 3 ounces of banana powder. Now these 3 ounces of banana powder, I put them in my little container, and then you can also find this on my Amazon shop, amazon.com/shop/discoveringnatural, and I'm gonna seal them up. So when I make this mixture, you'll see from one banana I got 3 ounces. It's amazing. So now how do we use this banana powder? I'm going to teach you a mixture you can make. I have other recipes you can find in the description area, but I'm going to take 1 aloe vera leaf. Now we know aloe vera is great for your hair. Aloe vera is great for moisture, is great for your skin health, is great for so many things. I don't even want to start, but you can go look at my aloe vera playlist where I show you different ways of using aloe vera. I even have a recipe for aloe vera powder. So go to my YouTube channel, you can find it in the playlist, and this is the outcome of aloe vera. Now with aloe vera, you want to also blend it. So I'm going to blend it in my neutral, I believe in, what's the name of my blender? I don't know. Anyway, it's the blender. So I'm just going to blend it really liquidy. After blending it, I'm gonna strain the aloe vera. Aloe vera, if you don't strain it also, you can get stuff in your hair, and I don't want that. So I'm just straining the aloe vera in there, you know, just squeezing everything up. So you can see after squeezing up, you see what's left? Yeah, okay. So we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Castor oil is good for hair growth retention, is good for moisture, is good for your hair. So you can add other oils to it, but I like to keep my recipes very, very simple. Okay, so I'm gonna whisk up the aloe vera juice and also the castor oil, and then I'm gonna add 1 ounce of banana. So 1 banana you use 3 times. You can use 1 banana 3 times. So you see, in the past we would have taken 1 whole banana and used it in our hair. Now you notice as I'm mixing this powder into the aloe vera, one thing you'll notice is that you're gonna see a little bit of clumpage from the dough. I'm calling this dough, yeah. So you can even use banana powder for baking, you know that, right? So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna put this back into my magic bullet. That is why I said if you're a DIY person, you need to get magic bullet. It has saved me so many times. So I'm gonna take it now and I'm going to whip everything together, kind of blend everything together. Now know that this mixture I'm making, my daughter was like, are you making a hair mask? I said no, I am making a deep conditioner. It's very liquidy, it's not thick. You can add other butters and other stuff to it, but I don't want to. Once I've mixed everything together, I do 1 more straining. Okay, so I know it's overkill, but I prefer to strain as much as I can. So I'm gonna take this and then I'm going to pour this into my stocking, and then I'm gonna strain it 1 more time, so you can see, making it even more gooey, liquidy. And guess what, when you strain it, see all that stuff, you guys didn't know. So now it is time to use it. This is how much we got, and I'm going to apply it to my daughter's hair, and we're going to just apply it, you know, like a normal deep conditioner. Our hair felt so soft as I was applying it. You can see how it's gliding really nicely, and I'm just going to twist up so that I can be sure that I got it on all the section of our hair, and then I will just proceed to applying it on yet another section of our hair, and keep on doing that until I get it fully throughout our hair. So once I've got it throughout our hair, this is what our hair looks like. So she's just gonna cover it with a plastic cap and with a hot head, so to infuse it into our hair. So we finished rinsing off our hair, the conditioner, and I'm gonna do a quick zoom in. You'll probably notice some water. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take our hair, pack it up like this, and that's how you'll be able to see. And just quickly zoom in right there, and you'll be able to see that there's absolutely no banana flakes at all. We're not going to be getting any more banana stuck in our hair with this method. It's a great method to try. If you guys haven't tried it, give it a try. So this is our hair after it has dried. You can see there's absolutely no flakes and no banana stuff in it. My hair feels so soft and shiny. Hope you guys give this a try. Thanks for watching. Bye.